Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make trending HDR TikTok videos using CapCut, the exact step-by-step method to achieve that rich cinematic high definition effect that gets millions of views. So in this quick viral ready tutorial, you'll master the exact adjustment and effect layers needed for the perfect HDR look. Now let's just get started. You can open your CapCut on mobile, then tap on new video and open the videos that you want to edit. Okay, so for example in here I'm going to use this videos. You can just click on add. And now once the video is open, you can click on adjust. And now tap on the saturations and increase it to around 8. And the sharpen, increase it into 30. Tap on the check icon and make sure that the adjustment apply to all the clips. Now go back and head into effects, video effects, and in here find the HDR video effect, this one in here. Click on adjust and you can follow my adjustments. So for the size, make it all the way to 0, amount 70, the intensity 10, and the filter and the rest make it all the way to 0. Okay, now hit on a check icon and make sure the effect apply to all the clips, and click on the video effects again, find soft, this one, hit on adjust and apply it to around 30. Now hit on a check icon and your HDR video is done. And this will be the final look of the HDR that went viral on TikTok. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.